How to turn on location services on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on location services on your iPhone in just a few simple steps. But before that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, turning on location is super important if you want to use apps like Google Maps, Snapchat, Instagram, and TikTok effectively. So, let's dive right in. Open up your settings and then scroll down until you find privacy and security. Go ahead and tap on it. And there you'll find location services. Tap on it and make sure the location services is toggled on. Now, once you've toggled on, you'll find various apps. So, tap on the apps where you want your location services toggled on. Suppose I tap on Chrome. Here, location access is set to never, so I'll tap on while using the app. And you can toggle on or off the precise location according to your wish. And that's it. This is how you turn on location services on iPhone and then turn on the location services on apps that you wish to. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found our video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video, everyone.